Hello friends, I am Sonali. I welcome you all for online tutorials of Java programming. In today's video, we are going to learn Java program to find factorial of a number using for loop. Okay, now coming to the program. Now look at, first of all, I will tell what is meant by factorial. Factorial of a n is the product of all positive descending integers. Factorial of a n is denoted by number 1, n1. For example, 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and result is 24. Okay, 4 factorial is 24. Okay, now first of all I will create public class. Public class factorial. Inside this class I will create main method public static void main in bracket string args. Inside this main method I will declare integer variables. Integer number is equal to 5. Here I will take integer number 5. Here we can take any number. Here I will take 5 number. Then next variable I and fact is equal to 1. Okay. Then next condition for loop. In that I is equal to 1, then I is less than equal to number, then I plus plus. In that, inside this for loop, next condition fact is equal to fact into I, then semicolon. Then I am printing message system dot out dot print ln in bracket factorial of plus number plus is plus fact plus fact, then semicolon. Okay, now see here I will take number 1 is 5. Then check next for loop condition. For I is equal to 1, I is less than number and I plus plus. I value is initial 1, then check I is less than equal to number. I value is 1 less than equal to number is 5. Condition is true. Okay. Then go to next condition. Factorial is equal to factorial into I. Factorial value is initial 1. 1 into I value is 1. Result is 1. Okay. 1 value stored in factor variable, okay, 1. Then again go to for loop condition, I value increment by 1, I value is increased 1, I value is 2, okay. Then check I is less than equal to number, I value is 2, less than equal to number is 5. So condition is true. Then go to next condition, factorial is equal to factorial into I. Initial factorial value is 1 and I value is 2. Then result is 2. Okay. 2 value stored in factorial variable. Okay. Then again go to for loop condition, I value is increment by 1, I value is 3. Okay. Then check I is less than equal to number, I value is 3, less than equal to number is 5. So condition is true. Then go to next condition, factorial is equal to factorial into I. Factorial value is initial 2, then I value is 3. Then result is 6. Okay. 6 value stored in factorial variable. Okay. Then again go to for loop condition, I value is incremented by 1, I value is 4. Okay. Then check I is less than equal to number, I value is 4, less than equal to number is 5. So condition is true. Okay. Then again go to next condition, factorial is equal to factorial into I. Initial factorial value is 6, then I value is 4. 6 into 4, result is 24 stored in factorial variable. Okay. Then again go to for loop condition, I value is incremented by 1, I value is 5. Then check I is less than equal to number, I value is 5, less than equal to number is 5. Less than equal to 5, condition is true. Okay. Then again go to next condition, fact is equal to fact into I. Initial factorial value is 24 into I value is 5 and the result is 120. Okay. 120 value stored in factorial variable. Okay. Then check again for loop condition, I value is incremented by 1, I value is 6. Then check 6 is I is less than equal to number, I value is 6, less than equal to number is 5. So here condition is false. Then automatically controls comes out from the loop, then print result. Okay. Here F is capital. In this program, I will use curly braces and semicolon because curly braces is used for a block of code which needs a common scope and semicolon is used for every individual line of code, that is statement in the Java program ends with a semicolon. This can be package declaration, import statements, or a code statement inside curly braces. Okay. Now let's run the program and see the output and check what will be the output. Now look at factorial of 5 is 120. Okay. Suppose here I will take any number 7. Here we can take any number. Here I will take 7 number. Then let's run the program and see the output and check what will be the output. Now look at factorial of 7 is 5040. Okay. I hope you guys understand this logic. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. We will meet you in another video. Thank you very much.